What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kids YouTube channel. We got Bosco.
What's good, y'all?
Let's go hit up some store. Out in Orange. Let's go. Spot opened up less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Of course, we're gonna start on the back wall, and we'll definitely get some input from Bosco. But yeah, 210. Get that extra. What is it? 20% off. Yeah, 20% off right now. Jordans, man, that's what's up. That's how the channel started. And I really like these. I really like them. I just don't have the money for them right now. Air Max 90s. It's actually pretty decent. This is a Nike by You. Full buck leather. Premium materials. Premium price tag too though. $150. Air Max 1s. We've been seeing plenty of these. These are 10.5 for $110. Dunks. Go for 100. 6-ring boots. I think they're the winterized, right? Winterized, yep. 185. 10.5, $110 for the Air Max 97s. Right next to that, got some. Is it Savelios? Savelios, $120. Yo, look at this. My man found one of these, size 7. And then SB Dunks. These are fire. Always a fan of SB Dunks. That's dope. And then got these in a size 9. These are pretty clean. I saw these at the retail stores and people are returning everything now. That's what I said. Be patient. Be patient if you can. You know, if you really need it, pick it up though, obviously. Moving down in size 9.5, $110 for the Gore-Tex right here. Dang, even this part's waterproof? That's crazy. Luca 2's $130. Got some boots right here. They do have a refurbished item, which is kind of a new thing here. It hasn't been like super long since they've been doing that. But yeah, classic boots, $73. It is slightly imperfect. No, these are interesting. Hyper Dunks with the strap. Not really familiar with that. Hyper sets, $120. Okay. Or these winterized right here, size 9.5, $140. 95s right here, $120 for those. Always looking for a really good deal on these. Not it, $180. And they make wide versions? I didn't know that. Oh, hell yeah. Wide foot game, that's what's up. Perennial outlets, tenant right here, $150. These are 8.5. Most of the homies finds over there, they were smaller sizes. They were smaller sizes, like size 8, 8.5, I believe. Or actually under that, like 7, stuff like that. Look at these. Nike by Use. Great material, great material. Not a fan of the colorway. $150 for those. Within the first 10-15 minutes, pretty big crowds. All right, let's go check out some of the bigger sizes. Size 11. What the John? No, it's an All-Star Weekend. All-Star Weekend colorway. A little too much for me. I do like a for a lot of stuff, but not this one. So like a bunch of reminders on a computer screen. Okay. These bad boys, $140. GT Jump 2s, $180 right here. These are 10.5. Pro Strongs, $145. Can we get a little discount? Holy cow. Pukuni, $75. These are like new. I was hoping this was a refurb. No, not really. $170 for those. These are Jordan 38s. Size 12s right here. They're being marked down even more. So $145. You did get that extra 20% off. But I've showed you guys so many spots where you get that on sale. Even lower than that. LeBron's still going for $210, which is kind of crazy. Extended size pricing. Look at this. The Savelios going for $60. Terminators right here. They've been marked down to $85. Even the Air Max 1's been an extra discount. Is that English? Been discounted even further. $75 for those. Remember the gray tags? Those are the extended size pricing. Look, LeBron 2s right here. These are refurb $105. These are slightly imperfect, so check those out. Jordan 11 lows, $110. Size 13. This has been extended. Look at this, $75. Are you serious? Another 20% off on top. So that's what, $15 off. So $60. $60 for Jordan 1 lows. Are you effing serious? That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at 2s right here. Go for $90. Del Dons right here, $50 for these bad boys. Then we got even more. These are size 13s. Got a couple more of those. 14 Alpha Fly Next Percent Flyknit 2s going for the full price though. Full price. $295. Wow. No extended size pricing on those bad boys right there. $125 for the Golf 6s right there. Streak flies for middle distance runners, $85. And I got this for big feet game. Let's see what size this is. Size 18. 18. Go for the full 2. All right, we're checking out apparel real quick. Clearance apparel 30% off, and you gotta be quick here because people are quick here, man. There are campers here and stuff like that, so you gotta be quick. $170 for the ACG right here. Dang, dude. These are an XL. Nike running shirts, $40 for a t-shirt. That's just, I don't know, it just seems crazy. Maybe I'm just broke, I don't know. Just like a t-shirt, like polo going for 40 right here. You should get 30 off. Checking out the smalls. This is a storm fit jacket. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice. But yeah, $175 for those. Normally $225 though. Got some hoodies right here. Down to $60. Not tech fleece. Then got a poofy jacket right here. Thermafit. $250. Full $250. At least you get 30% off. That is a large right there. Oh, that says large right there. XL. Okay. Checking out some pants. Okay, I was like, oh, never mind. Checking out the pants right here. $55 for these. These are small. For the Jordan black cement sweats right here. Got some golf. What are these called? What are these called? Like slack shorts? I don't know. What the hell? Some golfing shorts, I guess. Go for $28. That's actually a really good price if that's your thing. Sweats going for $50 right here. This is women's. Why is that in the guys? Guys been wearing women's stuff lately anyways for clothing wise and stuff. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, $55 for these right here. That's actually pretty nice. Large right here going for $70. This is like that super like rigid material. I don't really understand this one. This tech fleece $140. I do need some thicker sweats because I wear my old tech fleece and old tech fleece is not that thick. I don't know the newer ones. I think the newer one's a little bit thicker. Some cargo pants, Jordan brand, double XL, $110. That premium price tag, holy cow. I think this is tech fleece right here. Yeah, this is really nice. This seems way thicker than the one that I have, $125. And it is a small though. More tops right here. This is a small, $43 for this hoodie right here. Okay. Another storm fit jacket. This is another rack. This one says $300. What the hell? Damn you guys, why are you selling this garbage here, huh? I'm just jealous. But yeah, $40 for the Kansas City Super Bowl champ shirt right here. This is a large. Powder blue right here. $60 for this. Oh, these shorts are really nice. These are nice thick shorts right here. Triple XL though, $55. I think I have a Jordan one that looks just like that. Or same material at least. They do allow you to drop off shoes, like used shoes for recycle. I need to do that. They closed this for a long time. But yeah, I definitely need to do that. All right, let's go see what's up in the aisles and then we'll catch up with Bosco, see what he's up to. We got a few Jordans in the aisles, Jordan 1s. Got these right here, you get that extra 20 off. And then got some 2s right here. Witness 7s, got a couple different colorways. Trey 5.9s, got 3 different colorways. I'm not gonna open up the box, we've seen a bunch of those. Immortalities right here, I got a couple, I got a few. Immortality 3s, Zoom Freak 5s, we've been seeing a ton of these. Do got a couple of Airspan. These are the Airspan 2s. All kinds of blazers. And yeah, I did talk to one of the workers. They did say that, hey, you don't get the 97 off. Maybe it depends per store. Maybe it depends on the time of year. Because I have been told explicitly that, hey, you do get the 20. So it might depend on store. I don't know. But kind of weird. But yeah, do got plenty of blazers. Got a few different dunks here. Kind of weird how the policy changes. But yeah, I do got Air Force Ones. Still do have the Billie Eilish ones right here. Yeah, they're not bad. They're not bad, dude. I'm telling you, like, they had the tan one, and if the price was right, maybe, but yeah, they do got them. Air Max 270s going for way too much. Right next to that, do got some Scorpions. Air Max 2017s got 4 different colorways, 5 different colorways because there's another one. Over here on this side, Air Max T-Dubs. Also Air Max Plus. Kind of go through the aisles a little quick because I don't really see too much craziness here. Checking out the grade school section and seeing more and more of these pop up in grade school. These are 5.5. To be able to get this for 20% off, that is pretty dope. $1.60 for these. Air Max 90s in the kid section, $100. Dang, discounts not too crazy today. Yeah, 100 for these, 270s, 130. I was like, are these some Zoom Freaks or something? Nah, some, I don't know, some generics, I guess. 2 trays down to $58. That's slightly imperfect. Satin breads. Oh, these are 180. They had them at like 145 at Watts or something. Like they had them like a little bit cheaper.
I thought one of them was lower. The other one.
Yeah, this one right here. Did they lower this one? 182 for these. Yeah, so these are size 12 women's right here. Both. Got some Cortez right here. These are marked out $50. $50 for these. These are Nike by you, I think, right? It's just a standard color. I don't know, but looks like they've been worn, obviously. Yeah, but $50. Remember, you do get an extra 20 off, so that's not bad. Women's clearance section, not too shabby. Jordan 1 low is $110. Jordan 1's right here. Another Jordan 1 though, that is. These are $115. This is a pretty clean colorway though. Size 11, 9.5 men's. Neapolitans, we've been seeing these. These are, look, it says 9Y. Not a 9 men's, 9Y. What the hell? That's a 10.5 women's, $225. So random. Size 11s right here. There's some mids going for $125. Size 9 right here. Some more of the more regular size, $120 for the dunks right here. Got a few of them. Zagama Trails going for $80. This is gently worn. These are size 8 women's. Some Nike Calm Slides right here going for $55. Terra Kiger size 9 go for $75. These are slightly imperfect though. More regular dunks right here, $125 for those, size 8.5, and then some, I was gonna say some generic Jordans. These go for $83. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I think I'm gonna go talk to Bosco, see what his take is. This place is all right. I think it's all right. Definitely worth stopping by if you guys are in the area or if you guys are near. Apparel-wise, not too much. They do have the UNC jersey right here. We've been seeing these quite a bit. I think they're 85. Yeah, they've been 85. Got a few sizes, medium, large, extra large, that type of stuff. Haven't seen these on discount too much, like additional discount on top of the 85. I think Bosco saw these at the Citadel for like 20% off one time. But I don't see nothing too crazy. The graphic tees, we always see these here. 2 for $30 right here. And then see some like random stuff like this. Nike Moving Company, I'm like, what the hell? Like, I don't really understand that. I don't know who would want that, but yeah, they got these here. And they got like some hoodies and stuff. LeBron hoodie right here. This is heavyweight though. This is heavyweight, $65, normally 90 something. That's about it though. So many of you guys been asking about who can buy stuff for you guys. Bosco does have a membership program, yes, and he can help you guys out. So stop bugging me. Stop bugging me because I don't have time for that. But Bosco, he's a full-time YouTuber, so he has time for stuff like that. What'd you think about what we saw in here?
Oh man, a lot of dope stuff here actually. Haven't been to this outlet in a minute. I think the last time I came was with you. It's always been pretty good here, and we find a lot of retros, man. Jordan 4, Jordan 1s. Then you showed me those Jordan 1 UNC or the OG Jordan 1 lows for like $60.
Yeah, that was insane.
Crazy.
That's insane.
That was crazy. So I'm impressed by this outlet, and it's packed. So if you guys come out here, you guys got to get here early for sure.
Yeah, the parking. Oh my! I was talking to you about parking. Parking's a pain in the ass here. So
it is.
Yeah, but yeah, make sure you guys check out Bosco channel. Sure. He and I do the same thing, but we do things so different that like you can't like it'll seem like we visited the different outlet or different stores sometimes because we'll see different stuff. So make sure you guys check out Bosco's channel. I'll put his link in the description. His link's actually always in the description for every one of my videos, so check that out. Sure. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Got plenty coming. See y'all. And then Saturday night ended up at the race car tracks. Here with my kiddo. This is what we like to do. Pretty fun. Irwindale Speedway. Kind of loud, a little bit loud. They're gonna go again, really loud. The Model 8 cars, loud as hell. Sound like a bunch of bumblebees. This is like the 3rd or 4th event. Oh, it's a caution lamp. Caution lamp. What happened? Oh, red light. Oh, shoot, red flag. What happened? Oh, there's a car over there. There's a car that spun out over there. That's the blue car. Is that the blue one? I think so. And then one of the last events right before the fireworks, figure 8 RV with trailers. So they are gonna cross right here. I don't think anything crazy is gonna happen. Nah, yeah.
You know, just your average day at Urbandale Speedway, that's all. Yep.
Haven't seen any crashes yet.
Not
Not enough time. But yeah, this is fun. This is a lot of fun. It's like 20 bucks a person. Pretty cheap night. They have fireworks at the end. This is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Haven't seen any crashes. I can't believe that fool lost his trailer so early. That was crazy. Oh, get that fool's trailer. Get his trailer. Get his trailer. Oh, missed it, fool. Missed it. All right, let's go. Oh no, he's not fast enough. That one's lost too much muscle. Dang it. Oh, not doing it. No, he didn't. He avoided it. That fool avoided it. He didn't want none. This fool doesn't have a trailer. His trailer came off. Dang it.